Oh, hey there. Welcome back. Hope that last session was fun. I'm just finishing up my billing, and that's a good opportunity to speak about credit cards. You want to accept credit cards. Yes, there's a 3% processing fee on average, give or take 0.5%, but it will improve your collections. It will improve your collections significantly, both in terms of speed and in terms of volume. So, if you're going to accept credit cards, how do you do it ethically? And how do you avoid any of the pitfalls that trust accounting is going to give you when accepting credit cards into escrow? So, my suggestion, use a credit card processor that's designed for lawyers. What I mean by that is, let's imagine that you take a $5,000 escrow deposit on credit card. You then process that money and disperse it for payment of your invoices or whatever it is the money's directed to go to. And then the client files a credit card dispute and the credit card company does a chargeback. Well, that money is no longer in the escrow account. So when they do a chargeback against that escrow account, what will happen is they will take somebody else's money. Or your escrow account will go into negative if there wasn't enough money there. Now, either way, huge ethical violation. And if your account goes negative, the bank automatically reports you to the bar. The last thing you need is a character and fitness headache, especially one that could easily be avoided. How do you easily avoid it? Make sure that if you're going to accept credit cards into escrow, that your bank or your credit card processing company understand two very basic principles. None of the credit card processing fees can be charged against the escrow account. Now that means that while the money being deposited by the client should go into escrow, the fees should be deducted from your operating account. So your credit card processor needs to have access to both of your accounts. And in the event of a dispute, a chargeback, or whatever, the chargeback of any sort has to be pulled from your operating account and not your escrow account. That is the most important thing to keep in mind when processing credit card payments into escrow. Now, in addition to that, when picking your credit card processor, you're going to want to use one that ideally integrates with whatever practice management system that you're using, so that when you send out your bills, you can have automated links in your bills and your clients can just click on your bill and pay it electronically and have your credit card processor seamlessly deposit the money into your bank account and mark the bill paid in your practice management system so that all of your reporting is smooth and so that you don't have any manual labor involved in processing credit card payments and indicating all of the payments in your various systems. So New York State Bar Association and the American Bar Association have both endorsed LawPay, which is compatible with just about every attorney practice management system out there, and which is very careful about not messing up your escrow account for you. So my advice, use LawPay. I've been using them for years. If you're going to use somebody else, make sure they understand trust accounting and how the escrow account has to be preserved as an independent bubble. Enjoy your next session, and we'll speak again soon.